If you don't like chemistry but still need to ace your lab, then this titration guide is for you. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a burette, pipette, conical flask, Mohr salt solution, KMnO4 solution, sulfuric acid, and distilled water. Got 'em? Great. Start by rinsing the burette with the KMnO4 solution. Precision is key. Now, fill the burette with KMnO4, making sure there are no air bubbles. Next, pipette out 25 milliliters of Mohr salt solution into the conical flask. Add around 10 milliliters of dilute sulfuric acid to the flask to acidify the solution. This ensures the correct reaction with KMnO4. Place the flask under the burette and start titrating. Slowly add KMnO4, swirling the flask continuously. Watch for the color change. When a faint pink persists, you've hit the endpoint. Record the final burette reading to calculate the volume of KMnO4 used. Congrats! You've successfully titrated Mohr salt with KMnO4. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting, and you'll be a titration pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy titrating!